Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're showcasing what we believe to be the best Halloween costume for large dogs. The Dog Bat Wings with Pumpkin Bell by OLANRUN. If you want your furry friend to stand out this Halloween with a mix of adorable and spooky vibes, this costume might just be the perfect fit. This costume is designed specifically for large dogs, featuring a pair of bat wings crafted from 5mm thick felt. The material is carefully chosen to ensure that the wings stay upright and don't droop, giving your pet the true bat-like appearance. The wings are lightweight and made from soft felt cloth, which means your dog can wear them comfortably without feeling weighed down or restricted in their movements. One of the standout features is the adjustable magic tape, or Velcro straps, which secure the wings comfortably around your dog's neck and chest. This adjustability makes it easy to put the costume on and take it off, while also ensuring a snug fit that stays in place even if your dog is active and moving around. The size fits necks from 38 to 58 centimeters and chests from 55 to 78 centimeters, making it flexible enough to fit a wide range of large dog breeds. In addition to the bat wings, the costume comes with a charming pumpkin ghost face bell that adds a festive touch. This little bell jingles as your dog moves, adding to the Halloween spirit and making it even more fun for parties, pet parades, or casual neighborhood strolls during the spooky season. Durability is also considered in the design. The stitching around the straps and wings is increased to enhance strength, and the Velcro is longer than usual to provide extra security. The wings are attached at a 75-degree angle, which is specifically engineered to make wearing the costume more comfortable and the wings more stable compared to a standard right angle. The package is lightweight, weighing just about 5 ounces, and the costume comes with easy care instructions. It can be hand-washed or machine-washed, so keeping it clean after those Halloween adventures won't be a hassle. Overall, the OLANRUN Dog Bat Wings costume balances eye-catching style with comfort and practicality. Whether you're dressing your dog up for Halloween, a themed party, or a fun photo shoot, this costume offers an easy way to turn your dog into a cute and spooky bat dog. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're thinking of dressing your large dog this Halloween, this costume is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews and recommendations. See you next time.